An Indian oil petrol pump has been functioning at the side of NH16 to provide filling of fuels with proper quality and quantity for 24 hours. This petrol pump is situated at Coco, Subalaya in Ganjam district on a fully developed land area of 4 acres and 56 decimals with all sorts of modern amenities to provide the customers. Mr. S.N. Dwivedi, AMRS, Barampur RSA, is in charge of Coco Subalaya and is ready to sort out the problems and difficulties of the customers.
I am Suryanarayan Dwivedi, Assistant Manager Retail Sales and in charge of Coco Subalaya. It is privileged to mention here that this is the one of the best cocoa in India across the country, having developed in 4.56 acres of land, having all modern equipments like extra parsarai, fully automation, provision of dhaba, convenio, automat, fire hydrant. 5 high-mast floodlight tower creates beautiful, attractive scene during the night hour. This is an eco-friendly area having coconut trees, grass top areas, benzene absorbed plants. Most effective parameter is all CAs of this cocoa are educated with +2, +3 ITI diploma. Basic motto of this cocoa is rendering quick service on fueling, cashless payment through debit, credit, extra power POS in forecourt areas. IDFC banking facility is also available. By putting constant efforts on contacting customers, discharging effective service and basic amenities with the clean surroundings, it is able to capture the monthly sales volume of 500 KL HSD, 110 KL MS, including 32 KL of extra premium. Great Coco Subalaya. Thanks.
Ample facilities are available here for the customers for 24 hours and starting from entrance till exit inside the premises of filling station. Display board showing all features at the entrance of parking. Extra power sarai with provision of automatic entry and exit by truck drivers through extra power card terminal. Parking of 100 trucks with CCTV, fully equipped driver's restroom with lockers provision and CCTV view of parking.
CCTV का सामने गाड़ी खड़ी है, ठीक है? हम लोग यहाँ रेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं, उसके बाद सब चीज़ का व्यवस्था है यहाँ पे, टीवी भी देख सकते हैं, टाइम पास कर सकते हैं।
पार्किंग सब बढ़िया है, नहाने धोने हर चीज़ का जुगाड़, लैट्रिन मतलब सब ठीक है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है।
Huda and toilet blocks of drivers. Self-cooking area for drivers. Barber shop and salon is also available. Open restroom for enjoyment of drivers. Provision of dhaba. Provision of convenio. Provision of automat. SBI ATM facility is also available for 24 hours. Toilet facility for customers, that's for gents, ladies, physical handicapped persons with neat and clean conditions. Air facility, normal and nitrogen is provided. Air facility for heavy duty digital tire inflator for trucks. Air conditioned classroom training hall.